Hey fellow crafters, welcome back to Crafty Corner. I'm Beth and I'm here today to show you another new product from Cricut. It is the new Linerless Transfer Tape. Here's what the box looks like for the new Linerless Transfer Tape. It comes in 5 by 5 inches by 10 feet, and that's geared for the Joy machine users, and then the 13-inch wide for the bigger machines. For the 13-inch wide, it does come in 15 feet, 30 feet, and 75 feet long. What makes this new transfer tape unique, as is in the name implies, it is linerless. So it is the same great transfer tape, but with half the waste of the traditional stuff. To show you how to use this new product today, I'm going to be personalizing this dog dish. I already cut my vinyl, so I am gonna quick weed. Then let's go ahead and open this box up. I'm using the Joy size one only because I just really like the size of this. So it looks almost like a big tape roll, so you do have to kind of find the end of it, unless you put it in some sort of dispenser. So you just find the end, and then I make it fit my design, and then I'll cut a piece off that will go right over my little name here. Then I'm going to take that piece of transfer tape and I am going to use the grid and line it up on my dog's name. Then I'll use my scraper and burnish it down. This adheres the vinyl right to that transfer tape. So we'll do the front and the back. Then we'll peel back liner of the vinyl. Now our design is on the transfer tape, and all we have to do is line it up on our blank. In this case, the dog bowl. And just press it up against that dog bowl blank. I use my scraper to make sure that it's burnished down well. And then at a sharp angle, I am going to peel off the transfer tape. Now the cool thing about transfer tape is it is reusable. So you can use the same piece of transfer tape to do quite a bit of the rest of your project. So I'm just gonna cut down this piece that I just used to be able to add all of my additional paw prints and the bones. So again, I'm going to take my piece of transfer tape and place it on my vinyl. Using the scraper, I'm going to burnish it down. And then peel back the vinyl liner. And now I can place it on my dog bowl. Pressing nice and firm, using my scraper, make sure that it's adhered well to the dog bowl. And then remove the transfer tape. I'm going to do that with the rest of mine here. Thank you for watching. Check out Craft-e-Corner.com for all the new Cricut products. If you have any questions, leave us a comment below and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on new Cricut tutorial videos.